Let's jump now to institutional traders and retail traders and what those actually are. I know I've referred to them previously, but we're just going to nail down that definition and once again reiterate which one you are. Institutional traders, you'll also hear this referred to as smart money. Institutional traders manage large sums of trading capital, and they make up to, as we mentioned before, 94% of the $6.6 trillion per day that is traded through the foreign currency market. The institutional traders can manage their own funds as well as their clients' funds. And institutions include investment banks, hedge funds, investment firms, large commercial corporations, and central banks, governments, etc. Retail trader, though, which is what you are, is any individual who trades money from their own personal wealth, adding to their own personal account rather than on behalf of an institution, is a retail trader. Let's talk about the types of trading styles that are out there, and you can begin looking at what you think might fit you or what you think fits your schedule or what actually appeals to your trading style. Now, what you can start out thinking fits with your trading style, you can find out later on doesn't fit with your mindset, doesn't fit with your schedule, or doesn't fit with your personality or your relationship with money or the market at all. So also be fluid and flexible during your trading journey of just how you trade and what appeals to you and where you're the most profitable and successful throughout your trading experience. So let's just start out. You have long-term and position trading, you have intraday and day trading, and you have swing trading and scalping. And so these are all terms that refer to the type of trades a trader commonly takes, or the trading style that a trader commonly favors. So the long-term trading, which is otherwise known as position trading, is a really popular trading style in which a trader will hold on to a position for an extended period of time, lasting from usually several weeks up to many years. And most people, when they think of the market or think of investing or think of, stocks, that's really what they're used to thinking of, is long-term or position trading. Then you have swing trading. And swing trading is the practice of focusing on smaller gains in a short-term trends where positions are held for longer than a single day, up to weeks or sometime months. And you'll see a lot of swing trading in the Forex market. You'll see people that they enjoy that style. You don't come across as many people who talk about holding their Forex trades for months, but they're out there. But you do have people that last, for, definitely for days to, weeks for sure. You also have intraday and day trading, and those terms refer to the buying and selling of currencies on the same day before the market closes. Now, you have a lot of Forex traders who are day traders, and that's where a lot of times there'll be day traders or intraday traders and swing traders, because they might say at the end of the day, I really feel like this is going to continue this push. There's a lot of volume here. And so they will a lot of times hold it over that day past when that day closes. And so you'll hear a lot of people say that they swing and day trade. And that's all that is that mostly they're day trading. Most of the time they're in at some point in the day and they're exiting, before the day closes. But if they're seeing signs that point to, greater profitability, they'll hold those trades, but maybe it's just not part of their major trading plan or the basis of their trading plan. And then you have scalping, and scalping is a very popular day trading strategy, which involves making many small profit trades, usually opening and closing a trade position within minutes or hours. And a lot of times when you're scalping, you'll have multiple trades in a day, where sometimes with day trading, you might have multiple trades in a day, but you also may have days you don't take any trades. You will find a lot of Forex scalpers, a lot of people that have found strategies or ways to take profit in the market in a very short period of time. And it's funny because people that work a full-time job can find scalping strategies where they can find a certain time of the day that they can get in front of the charts, and they enjoy that scalping, that in and out really quick, those entries. And they find that works with their schedule. And then you'll have a lot of part-time traders, though, that find the higher time frame trades, the intraday or the swing trades, actually work better for them, you know, if they're also managing a full-time job. And then you have full-time traders that just, it matches their personality for scalping, that they just have a strategy that they're just in and out. They take their profits and they go. And the truth is, there's no right or wrong. It's how are you successfully profitable as a trader, and which style fits your mindset and your strategy. And again, I'll reiterate, be very flexible, because a lot of times what you think appeals to you, you'll find doesn't work or doesn't appeal when you actually get into the live markets. And a lot of times the very thing you think, oh no, you know, that doesn't match me at all, you'll find, wow, this, I feel safe with this, or I manage this well, or, you know, my stress level goes down, or I like the time freedom this gives me. You know, there's so many different styles and so many different setups, and there is not a right or wrong way, only profitable and non-profitable.